Oh, that's nice.
Everyone is asking me in the comments to ask you something, and I want to ask you. If you don't want to answer, it's okay. But wallah, I don't know what it means. Okay.
Okay.
Where is Qeys?
That's someone's name.
Who is Qeys?
Why is he?
You married?
No, I'm not.
Qeys Qeysar.
No, don't ask me that question, please.
Guys, she doesn't want to answer the question. Why you keep asking the question? I mad, you mad me.
Tell them, are you mad? Here we go again. Why are you guys so annoying? Like,
Why you do double? Why you do double so much money? We don't have 90. Where do we get 90? I don't get 90.
You don't get 90?
Where do I get 90? Where? Tell
I'm
me where.
sorry, but my people can do that.
My people don't have one flower. My people one flower don't have. They don't have anything.
I'm sorry.
Where do I take sorry? I take bank, give them sorry, they give me 90. يا أخي, I don't want to ask her where this man is. I don't know this man. خلاص.
Yeah. Leave us alone.
أستغفر الله. حمدي شكرا. We only need 89 more. 89 guys. 89.
Guys,
89. Only 89. You are Miss Somalia? You are Miss Somalia?
Yeah, do I look like Miss Somalia?
Yes.
Thank
MashaAllah, MashaAllah. حكم 1000 or 2000?
1000.
واحد كده.
You don't want 1000?
بلا 1000.
Okay, I thought you want more than that.
You can't. No, we don't have 90. We don't have.
In 19 seconds. Guys, I don't speak Arabic. I'm sorry, Abbas. I don't know Arabic. I'm sorry.
Guys, stop it. If I don't want it.
Oh my goodness, thank you so much.
If I win, I will ask her what you are asking me. Yallah. If someone wants me to ask her a question, I need to win. If I win, I ask her. If I don't win, I don't ask her. Yallah, you do. I don't care.
كنت مالي عم بفكرك والله ذاك بدي شاركتينا ويدينا.
If I win, I will ask her. If I don't win, I will not ask her. Yallah, I don't care. Yallah. طب Iqra, we said حكم 1000. Why you do 10?
I'm sorry.
Too much.
No, it's not. Oh, guys, you should record this. Oh my goodness, Samira, thank you so much.
No, wow, nice.
Samira, thank you so much.
Give me حكم.
Okay, do you have onion?
Look, please, no food.
Why?
I don't do with food. Cause نعمة أستغفر الله.
Okay, I want you to drink 3 cups of water.
3 cups? Okay,
Yeah.
You can give me more. Give me 3. No, give me 3 حكم and I choose one. You want that?
Oh, okay. 3 cups of water. And one is onion.
You want to play one more round?
Yeah, if you want.
Yeah, we play one more.
Okay. One I told you is 3 cups of water. One is.
Yes, you look like SpongeBob.
Oh, thank you so much, someone. I look like SpongeBob. Hi, SpongeBob.
Fatish, thank you so much, baby. Thank you. Fatush is also from Somalia?
I think so, yeah. Hey, look with this filter.
You look good. It's good filter.
Thank you. Someone said you still look nice.
Look, see, same. Look at this one also.
You look better than me with the filter.
No, no, this.
I love this filter.
This one. And this. أصدقائي بالشيرات. Guys, if I read bad word, I not answer the comment. I don't read comment. Only good. Fatoush will tell me if the comment is good or not. Swipe. Everyone who comes to your life, they will know that I am engineer.
Mohammed is
Smart. I am smart. I am very smart. I am very smart.
How do I write engineer?
لحظة, I am not that smart. I will Google it. Write it. Can you write it in your language?
I already write that. Yeah, wakhbar guys, thank you.
You did it?
Yeah.
Okay.